Hey, it's Georgia from Light Energy Dancing, and I have one of these exciting boxes from Modern Day Mystic. It's one of the brand new products that he has sent me to take a look at and give you a first look and a first opinion. I have seen a picture of it, so I kind of know what it is, but I have not experienced it yet. So get in here. Now this one's a prototype. Usually all of his stuff comes in like these gorgeous boxes and displays. When I get the prototypes, they come in bubble wrap sometimes. Wow. And this is what we have today. We have this gorgeous pyramid, and I don't know if my camera is going to show it or not. It has the symbols that he's worked with on his other products. So if you've, that's a new one. You can feel that. And he's got symbols on all three sides, and then it feels like, yep, and he has one on the bottom also. And then he has it fixed just like the Great Pyramid, which has actually 8 sides. You can research about that, about how it's actually, and I don't think it'll show on the video, but the way the sides are angled to create the 8-sided, which is actually a 9-sided because you count the bottom. Wow. Let me sit with this for a second. So my hands are very tingly. I feel very like calm in the middle, very centered. I feel like I can feel it pulling my consciousness to a much higher, more cohesive state. I think this is probably going to be very good at helping to manifest, not just manifesting like because you say you want like a certain job, but basically manifesting like the best alignment for you, the best personal expression for you, the best job type for you. What I'm feeling is that energy of, if you've ever meditated enough, you know there's a place where you're really balanced and you're really aligned, and then sometimes life is sticky and it pulls you off your track, and you have to kind of hunt and fight to get back to what you know is the right thing. I feel this just kind of pulling me straight into that alignment, which is really great. For those of you that have watched other unboxings I've done, the power feels as strong as the large HFA Extreme that he has, but different. That one makes my mind want to go like super still and quiet and expanded differently. This is like, I feel this like very centered in the middle, like everything being pulled, anything where I've got thoughts and feelings and emotions that are being drug out away from the center point are being pulled back. So out of the devices I've reviewed lately, I think this one is definitely one of the more powerful ones. I feel a sense that I should also maybe try wearing one of the, if you know his Trio of Life, for me it feels like I need to wear the one that's the DNA strands but that are in a circle, and that will maybe move my, yeah. I'm not going to go into what it's showing me, but because it's a little like, it's my personal path, but this is a great little tool. Wow, this is really nice. Hopefully you can, I have to get it kind of close. I'll show you the symbols one more time, but yeah, I'm really loving it. Just going to hold it here for a second so you can kind of tap into it. And see how that feels for you. Nice, nice, nice. I don't know if I would be carrying it in my pocket because of the shape. Might. I just feel like right now being very intentional with it is important. It feels like it's not a device to just throw around and kind of leave alone. You need to sit with it. You need to be with it and attune to it and attune your thoughts and your desires. It's showing me how, like, if we attune correctly, everything gets into that line and it's like a straighter path from where you are now to where you think you want to be, or what you're experiencing now to what you prefer to experience. Yeah. Nice job, Peter. Nice job. So I'll give you some more on this in a few days. So I did a longer video that you'll be able to check out on my YouTube and on Peter's YouTube. But he has just released this new gorgeous pyramid, or he's about to release it, and I am getting a first look. It has the symbols that he works with in a lot of his products. He also has it so that it's 9-sided, and I don't know if you can tell, the Great Pyramid is actually 9 sides. The sides aren't flat, they actually go like this, so he has that on here, and then the 9th is the bottom. This tool, I haven't worked with it very long yet, but it makes me really want to center in. It makes me want to bring everything to the midpoint. It makes me want to focus clearly and distinctly where I want to go. It's also opening me up so that I have a clearer vision of where I should be going. And it's happening pretty quickly because I just got it, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to sit with it and reattune. Some of his products you need more time with, but this one I'm feeling right away. So keep your eyes out for it. I'll make some more videos about my experiences with it. You did it, Peter. It's so cool. A year ago, I was given a prototype of the 369 pyramid from Modern Day Mystic, and it right away became one of my top 2-3 favorite pieces. I took it everywhere with me. I traveled to Stonehenge, to Egypt, to Mount Shasta, to Lake Titicaca. I took it everywhere. And the power and the resonance I felt with it was different than the other tech. So I've really enjoyed most things I've gotten from him, but this one felt like a friend, like something I didn't want to be without. When I would leave it somewhere, like in a crystal grid, or I would just leave it where I keep my stuff for a few days, I would often think, oh, where is that? I need to hold that, or I need to work with that, or I need to talk to that. That doesn't happen with the other tech so much. So my cohesiveness with it was profound. Now then, that particular pyramid is no longer in my possession because when I was in Peru, I was able to travel with Matthias DiStefano. And as you know, he travels the world doing really great things with the ley lines and the ancient sites and helping to correct some of the energies in this dimension and others. So when I was in Peru with him, I showed him the pyramid. After a day of working with it, he decided he would definitely appreciate having it on his travels going forward. So I spoke with Peter, and we gifted him the 369 period to do his work in the world. That meant that I needed a new one, and so Peter was nice enough to send me a replacement. And this is what you'll be getting, is the 369 is on the front. It's a beautiful wooden box. The pyramid is in the velvet casing. It's a little tight, so there's a ribbon that goes under it so you can get it out. And the finished products are absolutely gorgeous. They are a little difficult to show on camera to get it to show the clarity. But what you can see that line? That's where the pyramids actually mimic the Great Pyramid and make a 9-sided pyramid. Some people don't count the bottom, so they'll say 8-sided pyramid. But it came out absolutely lovely. I look forward to working with this one and having it resonate as cleanly and clearly with me as the original one did. They're just a lovely piece of tech. So they're in my top 3 all the time. Enjoy. I want to talk to you about 3 of my favorite pieces of modern day mystic tech. I love a lot of his stuff, but these 3, I gotta say, I use on the daily. So what I want to do, instead of telling you how I feel about them from like a personality aspect or like a memory of how I've worked with them, I'm just going to sit with each one for a second and speak to you about what it is more from a channeled perspective. So the first one I'm going to go with is the HFA Traveler. This piece of tech is very good at taking your plans and creating a roadmap for them. It's very good at stationing your wants and desires in such a way that the path is easy to follow. I think that this piece of tech should be kept close to the body when you're working on projects, when you're creating plans, when you're mapping out what it is that's important, whether that's actual physical travel or if it's a mental or emotional thing. Have this by your side as a helper, as something that will map out energetically where you need to go and how you need to get there. The next one I'm going to go over is the HFA Sirius. There are many states of I am in which you exist, and often they are not harmonious because your thoughts and your emotions are being scattered into a million directions at one time. This piece of tech helps you to pull them all into one central point and utilizing the energy of 0 point where all possibilities exist, and to basically enact the vibration that will service you right this second. This is an in the moment piece. When you sit with this piece regularly, you will begin to hone in on vibration maintenance so that you do not go from one high to one low and in and out of all of your experiences, but maintain a good central, standard, clean, clear awareness of consciousness. And the last one I'm going to kind of channel in whatever I need to is his new 369 pyramid, which I have actually had for a year. I've had the prototype. This is one of the new ones. This is going to edit out the things that don't service you. It's going to edit out parts of the personality and the thought process. It's going to edit out movements that you don't need to make, meaning those delicious looking side quests that take your attention but keep the consciousness from fully expanding. Those can't exist if you're using this. You'll find a centered groundedness, a completeness, a wholeness, an immediateness, meaning like all in this moment. Five minutes a day with this consciously just in your hand, not because the pyramid's going to do it, but because your energy itself can utilize this to help itself get organized. 5 minutes a day will really center the self in and clear out the junk. So that's a quick pickup from these 3 pieces.